Market misery with no liquidity. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, August the 5th. Ahead of tomorrow's jobs number, and the illiquidity of these markets are disgusting. You get major swings back and forth on no volume, on no interest, yet they just show up. Okay, and we just finished day trading, and watched it in live and in color and in person, how fast these markets move on air. And this is my warning to you, is that these air pockets are dangerous. Okay, and look, it can be very beneficial. Now, we know when we're day trading our risk, so we can benefit greatly, but our risk is still there. But there is nothing more miserable emotionally than getting taken out of a market that then goes your way in a big way. Okay. In fact, in crude, it didn't just happen to me. Okay. I got stopped out for a small profit. Now it'd be a big profit. But again, this is why you have to take your emotions to the side and be very, very careful in these conditions. These are much trickier because the overall action is faster with no real value. Okay. In the meantime, the markets are higher. You're seeing, they've been all over the place once again. Dow up 150, NASDAQ up 40, S&P up 13, Russell up 192 or 1920, however you want to look at it. We're still long the 3 and short the Russell. Gold's once again getting cracked. It was up again, and now it's getting hammered again. Okay, it's now down about 10. Silver's down, which we're short, but we are long gold, of course, still. And platinum's getting hammered, going to bring 1,000 today to the downside, which I told you was a key warning that if it goes through 1,000, you might have some big trouble, and here it is. We'll see what happens in the meantime. Bitcoin is down 1,400. It's actually a nice little recovery. It was down about 2,500, and we're still long the Bitcoin, the micro. Dollar is lower. We're short. Crude oil is up. Now, crude oil has been all over the place as well today. I mean, again, these markets are just so volatile and wild. And that's not because there's something going on in the world. That's because there's no market action. There's no paper. Every big order that's not even big, but big enough, forces the markets to move. Nat gas higher once again. Gee, shocking. Okay, it just keeps going up. Great energy policy guy. Thank you, President Biden. Copper is higher, and we are long. The bonds and notes are both lower, which we are still long. You've got, in the grain markets, you've got corn, beans, and wheat, all higher. Now we are short corn and beans now. We were short beans, started shorting beans today. Okay, and we are still long wheat, of course. In the cattle or the protein complex, feeders are slightly lower. Fats are flat, we'll call them unchanged, and hogs are down, and we are still long the entire complex right now. In the softs, you've got the cotton flat, and we're long. You've got coffee lower, and we're long. Sugar is exploding higher, and we're long. Cocoa is higher, we're long. OJ is higher, and we are long. So it's a mixed picture. Again, a lot will depend, not in the sauce, but a lot will depend on tomorrow's jobs number. That is coming out. So that will move the markets. And again, when you're getting some movement in illiquid and liquid markets that are not liquid, okay, the moves get slightly exaggerated. So let's see what happens. In the meantime, don't forget about our partners. We've got some brokerage partners. Of course, we have many brokers that I use, but the two I prefer for futures and commodities, the CTG Group, Capital Trading. Look, very simple. Great customer service. They trade all my accounts. They're the only ones I've authorized for letter of direction trading. They've got other managed futures products you can check out. Go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, Tradier for equities and options. Listen, $10 a month. I shouldn't have to say anymore. It saves me 5 figures a month. Okay. I have other brokers, but again, why would I not want to save the money? Okay. Plus the fact that we have their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios if you want them to. You don't have to. You get the software either way. You get the trades whether you're automated or not. But it's free, and Trader doesn't charge for it, so you get free execution if you want. That's, again, up to you, automatic. Okay? And family farms, great partnership. And of course, we have the same interest aligned, which is to help our farmers with the hedging and the taking care of their crops because they're so busy taking care of the farm. Our commodity report written by Andy Heck, Technimental. Again, I tell you every day, if you're a commodities trader in this space and you're not reading Technimental, go see a doctor because you're missing the best report you could possibly ever get in this industry. Go to BUBBATrading.com, call Technimental, and of course our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BUBBA Trading. That is patreon.com/BUBBA Trading. Saturday, doing a webinar on our hedging program. If you'd like to check it out, please shoot me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you a link. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Just be very careful. It is going to be extremely quick and fast, and it could be painful if you're on the wrong side. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bubba's Daily Update.